Today, I'm going to show you my review of the Exodus wallet, a popular non-custodial crypto wallet designed for both beginners and experienced users. Let's dive into its features, pros, cons, and whether it's safe to use. Key features: Exodus is a self-custody wallet, which means your private keys are stored directly on your device. You control your assets, not the company. It's also known for its intuitive interface, with a sleek, user-friendly design that makes it accessible to beginners while still offering advanced features. The wallet supports multiple platforms: desktop, mobile, and even browser extensions with easy syncing across devices. It includes a built-in exchange, so you can swap between cryptocurrencies directly in the app, though fees are higher than centralized exchanges. Exodus also offers staking, letting you earn passive income on select coins, as well as portfolio tracking with real-time charts. For extra security, it integrates with Trezor hardware wallets. Pros and cons. Pros include its ease of use, broad crypto support with hundreds of assets, integrated services like swaps and staking, and reliable 24/7 customer support. On the downside, Exodus has no two-factor authentication, 2FA, which raises concerns for many users. Some of its code is closed source, meaning it cannot be fully audited. The built-in exchange is convenient but comes with high fees. And because Exodus is a hot wallet, it's more vulnerable to malware and hackers, making it risky for holding large sums. Is Exodus safe? Your funds are as safe as your own security practices. Protect your 12-word recovery phrase, use a strong password, and consider pairing Exodus with a hardware wallet like Trezor for large holdings. Final verdict: Exodus is an excellent choice for newcomers and for day-to-day crypto management. But for long-term storage of large amounts, security-focused alternatives or hardware wallet integration are a better option. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.